So I'll probably just use her words. She calls herself a bona fide member of an ambiguous tribe of the New Age Indian women, heavily armed with the weapons of her choice, Google and lame jokes. And she believes laughter is definitely the best medicine. A versatile personality, from being an actress, designer, acclaimed columnist, and now the best-selling author of a book that we all have read, Mrs. Funny Bones and Legends of Lakshmi Prasad. I request our board of directors to please welcome her with a token of our love.
We are requesting Mr. Mukhija, Managing Director, to welcome Twinkle formally. And we'd like Twinkle to say a few words about today's evening and whether she likes Angel Express.
Good evening. Hi. So how many of you all know the nursery rhyme? Twinkle, twinkle. Now if I tell you that I've been teased mercilessly with this nursery rhyme my whole life and I hate it, but I'm just glad you know it. I'm really glad to be here. It's a pleasure, and after watching all these children, watching this video and this remarkable man, it just occurred to me that so many things in the world we have disputes about, and the biggest dispute we have is about religion. And I thought that we fight about which God is better and which religion is better, but there is no God greater than goodness. And what I see here is goodness in these children, in these volunteers, in the people who are taking part in Angel Express. And if I may, I also want to be a small part of this goodness. So thank you very much.
I think I'd like Hija also to say a few.
Good evening. Everybody happy? Yes! I have been involved in one manner or the other in Angel Express for the last 3-4 years. And I have seen it grow from 2-3 centers to 10. I may have visited only 2-3. I should visit some more. We saw so much good things happening, but there is a need for more volunteers. There is also a need for financial support. Anupa and Veena don't want to speak on behalf of them. I want to say that all of you, yourself, your friends, if they can contribute or they can adopt 1 or 2 children, that will be helpful to Angel Express. Of course, I want to make a request to the corporates which are already supporting L&T, Voltas and others to continue to support and maybe increase the level of support. And some of you should also keep in mind that, like you saw, you should go to the center to celebrate your and all your family members' birthday. Don't celebrate your birthdays anywhere else, but only at the Angel Express centers. Come and celebrate there. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir, for those kind words. We have the last part of our evening that's about to start now. There are a lot of you in the audience who've been with us for some time and some for much, much longer. There are a few special thank yous that we would like all of you to help us say. I'm going to say a few names and I would request those dignitaries to please step up on stage and accept a token of our thanks from all the people on stage. Can we have Mabel Ibrahim from L&T, Sheila from Welspun, Vinay Menon from Voltas, and Dorita from Matrix Bay, please? Like Sir said, it takes money to make the world go round, and many hearts are created and happiness is created. We would like to call on stage our largest financial contributors, Miss Mabel Ibrahim from Larsen & Toubro, Dorita from Matrix Entertainment, Mr. Vinay Menon from Welspun, and Miss Sheila from Voltas, who are our corporate supporters. Simultaneously, I would request the next set of heartfelt thank people to get ready. We would like to invite up on stage some other significant contributors. Ruchita Dharshar from First Moms Club for organizing toy donation drives and for bringing Leo Mattel on board to power the drive this year. Team spreading smiles and ever-going of fun outings, gifts for our kids and events across our centers. And Mr. Benny from the BBRT family for giving us this beautiful venue year out on year. Next, we would like to invite on stage volunteers who've not been with us for 1, 2 or 2.5 years, but more than 3 years. I would request you to please put your hands together for Dolly Chenani, Sunita ma'am, Neera Rao, Mrs. Pai, Uttara Desai, Anju Pitamani and Sapna Parekh to please come up on stage. Quickly, quickly! Faster! Just like you all want them to finish their sums and sentences. And the list of special people continues. Requesting Devika, Ulka, Shilpi, Forum, Punita and Ruchita to get ready to get on stage. We have our volunteer center heads who've been dedicated, how should I say this, so awesomely. So please give it up for Devika, Ulka, Shilpi Agarwal, Forum, Punita Singh and Ruchita Kenya. Next in line are some more names that the children are familiar with. Please come up on stage. Kusum Sharma, Rohan Sharma, Molly Miss, Prema Mistry, Bashiru Nisa, Anwar Sheikh and his team, and Neha, who's right here on stage, and myself. Kusum, Rohan, Molly, Prema, Bashir, Anwar and team, Aparna and Neha.
Did you enjoy the evening? Yes! So we have to thank Aparna Didi for this. Yes! She has put together everything all single-handedly. A lot of help from Beena, Tushita, Kusum, Nidhi. She was the one who did all the work.
Thank you so much. Wow, okay. Now my voice is going to shake. Okay, last but not the least, our choreographers for the evening. Come and run dance to stage. Shivani Gowde, Sandev, Shehnaz Didi, Aditi Agarwal, Madhu Damani, Anuradha Vora, Meenal Chopra, Sangeeta, Sayog Rane, Alpana Ghosh, Ananya Agarwal, Pia, Mrugasha, Hiya, Tyanan, Vedika, Arbab and Khyati. Please run to stage. Yes, we click a nice photo that everybody wants. You all can take your gifts later. Is everybody on stage? I think a lot of them are outside with the kids. Thank you so much, choreographers. Thank you for all the months that you all have put into making our kids dance on your fingers.
So I think that brings us to the close of the evening. Thank you very much everyone for coming here and being with us. Thank you so much.
What do you want to say today? You came here. How was the feeling to interact with the children? Have you seen the video? You want there also?
Yes, I have. I've been to the Juhu Center of the Angel Express Foundation, and today when I came here, I saw the children performing, I saw the film. I just wanted to say that there is so much goodness in the world. We keep looking at, you open newspapers, you always see terrible things, crimes and diabolical things, but there is goodness in the world, and I saw a glimpse of it here today, and I'm grateful to be part of it.
Tell us about your association with Angel Project.
So I've been to the center, and I'm planning to do a little bit of work with the children, and maybe do a little bit of English and reading. To me, a life that where you have a whole lifetime where you do not change things or touch people or affect it is pretty meaningless, and I would rather spend a little bit of my time doing something for somebody and make their life better. Somebody did that for me as well, right?
First, congratulations for your book,
Yes,
1 lakh sale of the book.
Yes,
so when you're coming with your next book?
It's already out.
Okay. Now, the Lakshmi, the legend.
That's out.
Yeah.
Would you like to talk about, you write so many stories, would you like to talk about how there are hundreds of stories amongst these children?
But that's not my idea.
No, as in, will you engage them to learn how to write?
So we're already doing that. We're already engaging them in a story about it's a magical story, and we've already started working on it with them. Yeah. Thank you. That's great.
Not on. This is not on. This is not on. Now. Okay.